A stand mixer is a classic in the kitchen for a reason. It allows you to create everything from cookies to bread without needing to work quite so hard. And let's not forget the attachments that open up a whole other world of cooking potential. Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best stand mixers that are absolutely worth your countertop space in 2025. Whether you're a beginner baker, a home chef, or someone who just wants to whip up cookies without breaking a sweat, I've got options for every skill level and budget. From powerful motors to sleek designs and all the must-have attachments, I'll walk you through the top stand mixers that truly deliver on performance and value. For more details on products, follow the links in the description box down below. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which mixer fits your kitchen best.
This video is presented you by Trusty Picks.
Number 5. Wolf Gourmet High Performance 7QT. The Wolf Gourmet Performance Stand Mixer has a large bowl with a sturdy base that handled all of our tests easily. The 7-quart bowl has tall sides, so no splatter escapes even when mixing wet ingredients like heavy cream and egg whites. It excelled in all of our tests, and the heavy-duty base remained consistent and steady even when mixing tacky brioche dough on high speeds. The motor is smooth and the dial makes it easy to toggle back and forth between the 10 variable speeds. It whipped egg whites into peaks quickly and evenly incorporated chocolate chips into cookie dough. We love that this mixer comes with a paddle, dough hook, whisk, and a splash shield with an ingredient spout. It's a bowl lift style mixer, which means the bowl raises to meet the blender attachment and lowers to release. Though we had to scrape the sides of the bowl a few times when creaming butter and sugar and mixing cookie dough, the bowl lift functionality makes it easy to do so. All the accessories are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Keep in mind that at 18 inches tall and 30 pounds, this pro-style model is one of the larger mixers we tested. In fact, it doesn't fit under our product tester's countertops, which also makes it cumbersome to store. This mixer is well suited to someone with a lot of space who's looking to make big batches of baked goods at home. Number 4. Costway Stand Mixer. If we hadn't seen the price tag before testing, we would have thought this mixer cost more than it does. The Costway may not have a lot of bells and whistles, but it took only 45 seconds to cream butter and sugar, and it easily handled every other test we put it through. The mixer feels almost too light, and while it doesn't seem sturdy, it didn't jump off the counter during even our toughest bread test. This is a solid choice for the occasional baker looking to churn out some holiday cookies or a birthday cake. Number 3. KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5 QT. Portability isn't typically a factor you consider when shopping for a stand mixer, but this compact option from KitchenAid is perfect for someone looking for a machine that's a little more convenient. The petite version of the classic mixer features all the same qualities the brand is known for, with a 3.5-quart bowl at a more affordable price point. It's easy to move, clean, use, and store, so it's perfect for someone with limited counter or cabinet space. This mixer excelled in all of our tests. It whipped egg whites quickly and efficiently. It whipped heavy cream with minimal splatter, and it thoroughly incorporated ingredients into thick, sticky dough with consistency. It comes with a coated dough hook, wire whisk, and flex edge paddle that has a silicone edge. We found that the paddle effectively scraped ingredients from the side of the bowl, so our testers didn't have to stop midway through and manually scrape ingredients down. The paddle seamlessly incorporated flour, sugar, eggs, and butter when making chocolate chip cookies, and we didn't notice any batches of dry flour on the sides. It features 10 speeds that are easy to switch between. Though we love how compact it is, we did notice that it's not as sturdy as some of the other mixers we tested. The bowl base is smaller, and we noticed a bit of rocking when mixing tacky brioche dough on the highest speed. However, it still functioned perfectly and mixed the dough efficiently. Number 2. Hamilton Beach All Metal. If you're not prepared to shell out the money for a KitchenAid, this Hamilton Beach model comes with the same number of attachments and a much lower price tag. It worked well with basic tasks like whipping cream and egg whites, as well as mixing cookie dough, but it labored with the heavier brioche batter on higher speeds. The tilt head on this machine is a little clumsier than the KitchenAid, and you'll probably need to lift the beaters to scrape down the bowl, which requires very firmly pushing the rear button with one hand while raising the head with the other. All things considered, this machine would perform everyday baking tasks well. Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan Tilt Head. We tested 4 KitchenAid models, the Classic, Artisan, Mini, and Pro line. And of all the units we tried, the Artisan is the best choice for the everyday baker. The Artisan can churn out quality cakes, single batches of cookies, and whipped cream with ease. It comes complete with a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, 3 attachments, flat beater, wire whip and dough hook, and a pouring shield, which is convenient for avoiding dust clouds when adding flour to the bowl. We found it worked seamlessly on cookie dough, egg whites, and whipped cream, but when we used it on heavier breads, the mixer jumped on the countertop, especially as we increased the speed. Like most of the stand mixers we tested, this model is a tilt head. Finally, with the most color options of any stand mixer brand, you're bound to find the perfect model to fit your kitchen aesthetic. So, that wraps up our list of the best stand mixers. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one will you pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.